Well, I did not tape again like for forever. And I did a few months back and I didn't get anything edited at all. So yay for that, right? Little bit embryoless as I get base. It's a pretty basic thing. Okay, to tell the truth, I don't even know where to start with this. I have a bunch of new products in these last 6 months. I think it's 6 months since I put up a video. Can it be? Well, it is a long time. I will just grab some new things and try them on. I'm starting with MAC Painterly Paintball because I want to do an eyeliner, try an eyeliner from Bésame. And if you know Bésame products, you know that they come in a tin like this for mascara and like old-fashioned. It's like an old-fashioned brand, bringing out like these kind of things. It's super cute. It is. This is the brown one, so I didn't open it yet, and it does look like this. It comes with a little brush, which is a little bit too small for my hands, but it works. And the product itself is packed like this. So you open this and then you have like a cake mascara here, which you can use also for the brows and as an eyeliner as well. It is a bit tricky to get the formula right because you just add a drop of water at a time and until you get like a paste to it. A long time since I used this kind of thing. I mean, when I grew up, there was only mascara like this where I was, at least. So, how old am I? Well, anyways, so I might try use this Bésame mascara, cake mascara. Yeah, just because I think it's a lot of fun. I grew up using those things and I liked it back then, mostly because it was the first, I think, product that I ever had for like makeup product that I had was a cake mascara. So yeah, a bit nostalgic about that. So I'm probably gonna try that one. For base to that one, I think I will use this one, the Painterly Paintball, because it keeps things in place pretty well. Okay, so this is the black mascara. It looks like this when you take the paper off. So, cake mascara. And I'm just opening this brush and using this brush. And I have a used up bottle of this Estee Lauder serum that I cleaned up, also with alcohol inside and everything. So I just have water now in it, which I change actually every day, so that it stays clean. And then I just take a drop from this and you drop it on it and you make a paste of it, out of it, and then you just use it as a mascara or a liner or for the brows or whatever you want. So I will just do that. It takes forever for me to do this still because I'm new with it. So I don't think I will film this part. So that's now one side. And I put just one drop and then I had to wait a bit because it became just too much water. One drop is too much water, so I had to wait that it will dry a bit. And then you just put enough product on the brush so you can like kind of smoothly go over. Almost one time I got over like this. Because if you go over before it's dry, then it takes it off instead of putting more on. So now if you wanted more than this, you would have to wait and do one more layer. But it's really close to the lashes the way I like it, and yay. So one more drop and I will do the other eye, and then I might just play around with some lipsticks that I also got from Bésame. So for now I'm putting this mascara, cake mascara, away. I screwed it up a bit here, but I tried to clean it because anyways I'm gonna use some kind of eyeshadow still over there, so it's not a big deal. I don't think so, at least. But you know, you have to wait quite a while, and I did take this thing for the camera just to, you know, try and dry it up a bit faster. And yeah, it definitely helps, but it does take a while. And I don't know, but it's still like a little bit like, you know, like I skipped. This side looks better. This I put twice and this one I have only once, I think. Okay, so that's kind of my mistake. Anyways, it takes a little bit of practice to get this one right, but it's kind of a lot of fun to do it, I think. Anyway, I'm not the biggest one on eyeliners to begin with, so, you know, I'm probably not the, you know, first one to look at if you want to know how to make an eyeliner. Anyways, since I also can't take it out because of the wrinkle here, I can't take it out any further anymore. It's just close to the lashes, and that's how far I can go with that one. So I think I will do a little bit of a neutral eyeshadow. This is a neutral matte from Viseart. This is also, I had it probably half a year or something. Unbelievable. Okay, so I'm taking probably a mix of these two, and I'm placing it like the usual place here. I don't know, where are all my brushes? I'm probably not looking into the right place for them. I'm taking this light color also in here, so I won't get a, you know, strong payoff from, and also to brighten here a bit. Since I have the painterly paint pot on now, it's kind of, you know, sticky. So, and also here, around here a bit. Okay, so I used a little bit of this Viseart. These two light ones up here in the inner part here, and also here in the outer part, on top of the primer. And then these two, and the black one a little bit here, because I kind of screwed up the liner. It was still a little bit wet, it seems. So it came kind of off on the brush. So I added some black also, kind of to cover it up, my screw up, you know. I should have put the liner after, of course, after everything, like everybody usually does, but except for me, because why we take the medium one, this one here, just in the inner part then. I'm kind of going over like that. It's a nice peachy color. Maybe I will leave it now, for now at least, without anything under. I will just curl the lashes and see if the cake mascara will keep the curl, because I did see some reviews, a lot of reviews before I bought those, and they all said that it's holding the curl really well after, even if it's with water. So let's see how that will work, because it sounds to me a bit strange, but well, let's see if it works. Okay, so that's the mascara twice applied. Not bad, huh? And it does hold the curl. So I'm impressed. And you do make the paste a little bit thicker when you do the mascara, as far as I can remember. That's what I did anyways, and it seemed to work really well, so yay. Okay, so I have some Estee Lauder Double Wear, just with a damp sponge. And I didn't powder or anything, because now, when it's not in the summer, it seems like it's okay like this. So this is a Bésame lipstick, and they come in this really cute antique looking packaging all together, like, yeah. This one is in the color Chocolate Kiss 1970. So it looks like that. Yeah, actually really super pretty. And you're supposed to be able to put it on, like, you know, like to use it also as a liner, because it's so sharp, and then fill it in. A little bit hard on my crooked lips. Okay, so this is Chocolate Kiss, and pretty, you know, lightly applied with a brush. So if I want it a bit darker, I can just add a bit more like this, maybe. So pretty much darker. I do like it when it's just transparent looking, like a little bit. Now it's kind of strong already. So something like that, not too precise, but yeah, a really pretty color. And this is a gorgeous Victory Red C224. These colors also say from what year they picked the color, like it's supposed to be a true to the time color. So this one is from the year 1941. Yeah. a really pretty red. I just put it on with a brush. I didn't even use a liner, but normally I would use a liner anyways, but not for this purpose when I'm just putting it on to take it off. I use this MAC Prep and Prime Underdoe. Really nice lipsticks, I have to say. I was pleasantly surprised with those. I mean, it's not like I didn't see reviews, but not every review is like what's gonna be for your taste. And yeah, okay, so I have 2 more to go. What I didn't say about the Chocolate Kiss is, maybe I said 1970, that is from 1970. Yeah, I left a little bit of the outlining from the Victory Red because otherwise I just get the foundation off completely. So this next color is from 1946, and it says this shade is a true replica of a color from 1946, Red Velvet. And again, looks like that. So what was this one again? So Red Velvet. I put it on just from the bullet now, and it's like got a bit messy, but the color, very pretty red as well. It got, of course, strong since I put it straight on like that. But again, a stain if it's too much. A stain. I like wearing stains from darker or brighter colors. It seems to be a little bit easier for me. So yeah, but I do like it like this though. It's a really pretty red, but it's really out there. Last color I have here is Blood Red, and it says that it's from 1922. So a true replica of a color from 1922. Again, the same kind of bullet from the outside, and a little bit of a darker red now then. And again, I left the outline. Wow, this one's gorgeous as well. Now what is nice with these colors, I also read it, but it's true that even if you have a stain from it, it doesn't become pink, or really, if it's a more orangey color, it becomes kind of coral, washed out color. These, when they just a stain, they have the same true color to them, just lighter. So it's really neat. I mean, that's what you want from a wash of a color, that it will stay true to the color. Oh, isn't it gorgeous? You can have a wall in the house like this color. Okay, to put them on like this, it's not really my style. And it's dark color. Okay, so that's the Blood Red. Bit darker, but still a really pretty red. Like a really, really pretty red. And again, this is pretty, straight on, so it's strong. The formula in those, it's like they have so much pigment in them that you can use a brush and still get a really pretty color, but it stays on. You don't have to go in there and blot. If you want to blot and do the powder thing and all this old-fashioned way of doing it, of course it will stay better, but it's not like you have to do it. Unless you really okay, you want it on for 2 days. It does stain also, so which is really nice, like I said. Okay, but I would use at least some kind of liner for it, maybe something more neutral that you won't add or take away from the color. So, but really nice colors. That's that. Little bit of this one on since I played around too much with my lips now. They don't really like that. Why not use a little bit of this? It's really game for small little girls like me. So I'm going to use this one. from the Tache de Nona, and I don't think I will use all of it. I will use probably these two. Or maybe I will use all of them. I will try use all of them. So I will start with the cream then. And just use the sponge that I used for the foundation. Let's see how this will work, because again, the Estee Lauder, oh, it seems to work really nicely this time. Estee Lauder foundation sometimes it's like a bit challenging. But this seems to work really nicely, so wow, okay. Stoked about that, because that doesn't happen every time. That's a really pretty glow. Maybe I should just leave it there. That's really pretty. Right? I should leave it there this time. Yeah, so just a little short video playing around with some new products. And even though it does look a bit just messy, because that's really what it is, it's not a straight line or anything. But anyway, my lips are really hard to get perfectly straight and the same on both sides because they're so crooked. So, well, anyways, little bit of a sheen on the cheeks and then this screwed up eyeliner. And well, yes, that's what it is. So I'm just gonna finish the video up here. Thanks again for watching.